Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a video in text in Filmora. It's pretty easy. So let's get started. So I have already created one effect. So let me show you that first. So I'm going to go to view and full screen, play. So I have added zoom effect as well as the masking effect. So this is the end result and it's very easy to make. So let me remove this first. So first of all, we need to get a black screen. So I'm going to go to stock media and go to search and search black. So this is the black background that we are looking for, and simply insert the black background and now insert text, insert default text. Now write whatever you want. So I will write the same thing, football. Now remember, if you want to see the video clearly, the font has to be thick or bold. So I'm going to choose the font Impact, which is very thick, as you can see. So this is what we have created, a white text on a black background. So now we don't want this frame, so click outside to remove this frame. Now we are going to snapshot this, or we are going to take a screenshot of this. So simply click on this icon, snapshot. Okay, so this will create a screenshot. I have already taken one. So this is the snapshot that I just took. So remove this, we don't need these two, and we have to insert this. So insert this and now insert the video that you want. So I'm going to go to stock media again and let's say library and football fever. So let's say I'm going to add the same thing, this one, and make sure that the video or your footage is below our mask layer or the layer that we just created. So keep it on top of this video. So this is what we get. Now I'm first going to show you without the zoom. So I'm going to increase the size of this particular layer. Now simply double click on this top layer, double click and change the blend mode. So if you go down, we see the blend mode, change the blend mode to multiply. As you can see, we are able to see the video through the text. Now to view this, go to view and full screen and play. So this is how it looks. This is basically the effect, masking effect, by which we are able to see that we are able to see the video through the text. Now if you want to add the zoom effect, so I'm going to undo this. Again, change the blend mode to multiply. Now to add the zoom effect, simply right click on this top layer, right click, crop and zoom, and keep it as it is, pan and zoom, keep it as it is. And if you want the text, the final text to be larger or similar to the screen size, we can decrease the size like so, but I'm not going to change it. I'm keeping it as it is, apply. So now if you go to view, full screen and play, you will see the zoom effect as well as the masking effect. So this is how it looks. I will change the quality to half again, play. So this is how it looks. Zoom effect with the see-through effect through the text. So this is very easy to create. I will zoom it slightly. This is easy to create, but one issue with this particular method is that we cannot change the text we cannot change the spelling or font, we cannot change anything because we have created this layer with the help of our text effect. But there is another method by which we can, once even if we add the text and create the effect, we can change the spelling and everything. We can change, basically we can edit the text after creating the effect. But in this particular method we cannot change the text. So this is the limitation of this particular method. If you want the second method, just comment below this video, comment method 2, then I will make the video on method 2. So for now, that's it for this video, and if you find this video useful, please give this video like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.